Hello and welcome to the 56th episode of Business Litigation TV. I'm your host, Jesse David Eisenberg, and this is the internet's most passionate show about business litigation. Today I want to talk about forum shopping. And I was thinking about this because I was just following the NBA draft. So in the draft, Zion Williamson was just drafted number 1 to the New Orleans Pelicans. And before he was even drafted, he's already involved in 2 lawsuits. Okay? The facts behind it are he signed a contract with a marketing agency to market his likeness and get him endorsement deals. And what happened next was he signed with an agent for the NBA. Now he decided that he wanted the agent to also to do his marketing for endorsement deals. Now he's claiming, and by the way, this is not going to be about whether Zion's right, Zion's wrong, the market agency's right or wrong. This is just about forum shopping. Well, I'll get to that. So the next thing is Zion Williamson starts a lawsuit in North Carolina. And he's saying that, the contract violated North Carolina laws, and it should be a null and void contract. The marketing agency then sues in Florida for breach of contract and $100 million in damages. This is a classic case of forum shopping. And forum shopping, by the way, is where litigants bring a lawsuit in a state, city, district, whatever, that they find most favorable to them. And they think they'll get the most favorable outcome. So Zion's bringing it in North Carolina because North Carolina laws will favor him, he believes, in this, saying that the contract should be void. The other company, the marketing agency, is in Florida, and I believe the contract also stipulates to Florida law or something along those lines. North Carolina is where the contract was signed, Florida is where they're from, and the laws are more favorable to the marketing agency in Florida. So, again, this is classic forum shopping. Each one's picking the district they think is best. Now, where is it going to end up? All right. If I had to make a guess, I'm going to guess North Carolina. Because in general, the rule is, and I've used it to my advantage before, the first one to bring the lawsuit generally gets to pick the forum. So, what this also means is that in the end, Zion Williamson might have the more favorable outcome. Do we know for sure? Of course not. And actually, I don't think he'll even make it to trial because I think they're going to settle. That's what it comes down to. Zion Williamson is not going to want this hanging over him. Okay, he wants to sign endorsement deals. And will people sign to endorsement deals when they don't know who to cut the checks to? Probably not. I don't know though. But that's my guess. So I think this will get settled within the next couple months, and Zion will go on to make huge amounts of money, and it's not going to matter in the long run. But, again, back to forum shopping. Okay? Some things to know. You still, even if you're forum shopping, you have to go somewhere where there's some kind of nexus to the case. All right? So again, North Carolina. Zion's in North Carolina. He played college basketball in North Carolina. His fans are in North Carolina. And most importantly, if I didn't say this already, he signed the contract there. Okay? So there's his connection. The other agency, the marketing agency, they're in Florida. That's their connection. Okay? Sometimes the connections are also along the lines of you can stipulate to any law. You could say, we choose that if there's a lawsuit, it's in California. Those are options. And that's how it works. But remember, again, you need some kind of nexus to the lawsuit. Okay? I hope this has been a fun way to think of forum shopping and what it is, and if you've ever heard the term before. If you have any questions about where to bring a lawsuit or about business litigation in general, please feel free to email me, jesse@jdelaw.nyc. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.